Welcome everyone to my today's new video 25 astonishing facts. Like, did you know that a blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant? And hippos have the largest mouths of any animal on land? And China owns all the pandas in the world? To know more astonishing facts, watch till end of this video. Then let us start with our today's new video 25 astonishing facts. Fact number 25. There is a museum of bad arts. It is located in Somerville, the Museum of Bad Arts. This is done by talented artists, which was gone wrong. Fact number 24. Fleas can jump up to 100 times their body length. In 2011, researchers said that they kept cameras to film the microscopic jumps and found that rather than using their knees or upper legs, almost all the actions happen end in their feet and lower legs. Fact number 23. Elephants comfort each other with chirps. National Geographic reports that when Asian elephants are depressed, stressed, upset, their fellow pachyderms will attempt to provide comfort by carrying them with their trunks and offering chirps of sympathy. Fact number 22. Dogs can learn up to 165 words. Fact number 21. The loudest animal on the earth is sperm whale. While the blue whale is the largest animal in the world and it's often credited as being the loudest, but that distinction actually goes to sperm whale. The sound they make to communicate with other whales is 230 decibels compared with the blue whale's more modest 188 decibels. Fact number 20. Hippos produce their own sunblock. Hippos can work on their tans without having worry about getting burned since their skin naturally secretes an oily red substance that acts as a moisturizer and sunblock, and this looks like sweating blood according to an article in 2004 published in journal Nature and Diego Zoo. Fact number 19. Nearly 15% of Los Angeles is used as a parking lot. You probably knew Los Angeles is a car dependent city, but you may not know just how dominant automobiles are shaping the cityscape. In 2015, a study or research published in the Journal of the American Planning Association was able to determine that 14% of Los Angeles incorporated land is devoted for parking for vehicles in Los Angeles. Fact number 18. Jellyfish can sting even when they are dead. Jellyfish can be a nasty thing to encounter in the water, and they don't even need to be alive to give a painful sting on anyone in their path. Fact number 17. There are snakes with two heads which compete with each other for food. The fact that some snakes born with two heads and a single body is pretty incredible. But what about the added detail that these heads are actually two distinct parts but that both work with one another and also see each other as competition? As National Geographic explains of the non-venomous ladder snake Elaphscaleris, these two-headed snakes fight for food. Since snakes operate a good deal by smell, if one head gets the smell of the other head, then it will attack and try to swallow its second head. Fact number 16. Holding a sneeze can be dangerous. In a 2017 researchers said that reported that a 34-year-old British man was hospitalized for stopping sneeze and blocking nostrils, and it is a dangerous maneuver, the researchers concluded. Fact number 15. Sharks smell in stereo. You are no doubt familiar with a shark's ability to smell even a very small amount of blood in the water from as far as quarter mile away. Sharks smell or detect tiny delays in the time it takes for a scent to reach one nostril with it's just a fraction of a second. They turn that side where the smell of prey comes. Fact number 14. One area of Canada has a weaker gravitational pull than the rest of Earth. In 2007, a swath of land in northern Canada was found to have unusual low gravitational pulls. The reason for this is because nearly 20,000 years ago, the weight of massive ice glaciers caused some of the rock beneath to compress and sink, and the process displaced the underlying semi-fluid mantle. Fact number 13. A reindeer eyes can change colors with the seasons. Reindeer can change the color of eyes in different seasons, while their eyes are golden in the summer and dark blue in the winter. Fact number 12. Surfaces near the equator move each faster than those in locations on Earth. Not all of the surfaces in the Earth move at same speed. In fact, the surface near the equator moves at 360 meters per second or 1000 miles per hour or 1609 km per hour, while the speed at the poles is effectively zero. It only rotates once every 24 hours or a day. Fact number 11. The glow around the moon is called brooch. If you're ever out of at night and happen to see a hazy halo of light circling the moon, that is said brooch, which is a Scottish word. Fact number 10. The world's most toxic mineral is cinnabar. With a color that resembles and often represents blood, it makes sense that you would not want to mess with this stuff. Cinnabar forms near volcanoes and would release mercury if disturbed or heated, which could lead to loss of sensation and death. Fact number 9. There's an asteroid that's worth $95.8 million trillion. Way up in space, there's an asteroid by the name of 241 Germania that's 100 miles wide and holds a heck of a lot of minerals. On Earth, those minerals, including hydrocarbons such as oil, would be worth around $95.8 trillion. Fact number 8. There was a flying dinosaur the size of a giraffe. The Pterosaurus, comparable in size to your average giraffe size, had a wingspan of 35 feet and could fly for thousands of miles. Fact number 7. The world's oldest operating library is in Morocco, dating back to 859 AD. The Al Qarawiyyin Library in Fez, Morocco, is popular for the oldest library in the world. Fact number 6. England is hit with more tornadoes per square mile than any other country in the world. America definitely experienced its fair share of dangerously blister weather, but England is considered to be the tornado capital of the world. The country on average gets hit with 34 tornadoes each year. Fact number 5. Your brain is sometimes more active when you are asleep than when you are awake. Even when you fall into deep sleep, the activity inside your head is still buzzing in order to keep your body running while processing your subconscious mind. Fact number 4. If you heat up a magnet, it will lose its magnetism. The right magnet can exert a force powerful enough to crush a bone. Heat makes magnets useless. In cold, magnets become stronger than summer. That is because heat reduces magnetism. Fact number 3. China owns all the pandas in the world. Any zoo want to purchase a panda, they want a permission from China which costs around $1 million a year. Fact number 2. Hippos have the largest mouths of any animal on land. Hippos might seem like jovial creatures, but you don't want to mess with them. According to Guinness World Record, the African animal can open its jaws almost 180 degrees, makes it the largest mouth having animal in the world on the land. Fact number 1. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Yeah, these giants of the ocean and the largest animals ever known to have lived on the planet can weigh up to 200 tons, and its tongues can weigh up to 4 tons, which is up to an adult elephant. Wow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel now. And please wait for my next video 25 space facts. Goodbye.